Yippee! Road trip! No, don't do that! Oh no! Super Cat's fallen!
No.
Look, he's hanging around.
Yeah.
Back we go. Reach high, Mom.
Yeah. Do not stick anything out of the car window.
Be good now, Leo. Oh, booming burp. Hey, Leo, don't litter. Yuck, so dirty.
Do not litter in the car.
Ah, garbage gremlins. What should you do, Leo? No! You're gonna cause an accident.
Why? Are you okay? Leo, you can't throw trash out of the window.
I'm sorry.
Leo, go and pick it up. Where does it go? That's right, the trash can. Oops, Leo needs the toilet. Ugh, quick, Dad, pull over.
I want to go to the toilet.
It's okay, Leo. Here's a potty.
Meow.
Go behind the bushes so no one sees.
Meow.
Where are you going?
Oh.
Ah, he's found a bush. Honey poo. Don't be afraid. It's only a storm.
Don't worry, I'm the best driver in the world.
Whoa, a mud bath. Wish, wash, car wash. Yikes! What's happening?
The monster wants to eat us!
It's not a monster, it's a car wash. And it's fun.
Look, bubbly, bouncy soap suds. The rollers are rocking it. Wow-wee!
We arrived.
Let the fun begin! Look, blue robots on patrol. Oh, who's there? Oh no! Dinosaur's going to attack! Who's going to win? Great battle, Leo. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Are you having some, Leo? Save me some, too. Oh, Mom says not now. Ah, delicious broccoli. But veggies are healthy, Leo. No, coffee's for big people. Milk makes you big and strong. Oh, what's that? Wow, look! A new red robot! Yippee! Looks like Leo wants the new toy robot.
You have got a robot already.
Good night, Leo. Sweet dreams. Yikes! Demon Mom is in Leo's dream. Oh no, Leo, don't drink the coffee. You have too much energy. Oh no! What's Demon Mom going to do now? Is that all for you? Stop, Leo! You'll get a tummy ache. More? Demon Mom is so naughty! Oops! Look at your tummy! Eating too many sweet things makes us ill. Angel Mom to the rescue! Eat your veggies, Leo!
It will help your belly.
All better now? Yeah! Uh-oh! Demon Mom is so angry! But she has a plan. Leo, don't listen to her. No, Leo, don't take it. What is she doing? Oh no! It's getting bigger and bigger! Leave Leo alone! Do something, Angel Mom! Blue Robot, go and help Leo! Quick, press the red button! It worked! Oh no! Leo! Wow! Blue Robot is the best! Haha! You lost! Stop her, Angel Mom! Yeah, you did it! Phew! What a dream! Remember, Mom knows best. Huh? Where's Mom?
Meow.
Yeah, healthy breakfast veggies. Good job, Leo. Yippee! Our hero, Blue Robot. Remember, healthy habits, Leo. Woohoo! We're at the cinema. Oh no, the popcorn! Lucy, don't run in the cinema. Leo, that's their seat.
Leo? Meow.
Go back to Dad. Look, your ticket tells you where to sit. Number 7, that's right. Oh, get ready.
Cosmo Counts.
Wow, this movie is perfect. Lucy, that's rude. Yikes, you've hit Pit. Kids, you shouldn't litter. Where does trash go?
Meow, meow. Morley moo.
Put it in the recycling can, Lucy. Quick, you're missing the movie.
Yeah? Yeah.
Aw, Lucy hasn't any popcorn. Lucy, that's really naughty.
Hungry?
Everything's all right, Leo. Shh, don't be loud. You're disturbing the avocado babies.
Yeah. Meow.
Looks like Leo wants more. What's that, Lucy? No, don't do that. Kids, you're gonna get into trouble. You're being very selfish. It's not funny, it's naughty. Yikes, the usher's here.
Meow.
He is not happy with you two.
Meow.
You can't play shadow puppets here.
Meow.
Kids, what do you say?
Murray.
Okay, let's watch the rest of the movie.
Meow. Murray.
Sit nicely and remember the rules. Oh no, it ended. Poor Dad missed his movie. What are you doing, Lucy? Ah, it's a special performance. Splish, splash, splosh. Good job, kids. Uh-oh, where are the kids? Ah, they're missing. Oh no, there's a bad guy. He's stealing the toys. Bad guy wants Lucky's robot.
I've lost 2 little kids. We will find them.
Search and rescue time. What's up, kids? Wow, a super car! Yikes! Go away, bad guy! Chicky, Lucky's in danger! Haha! Rotten raccoons hurt! Quick, kids! Run! Leave them alone! Oh no, he's chasing them! Good job, Lucky! Phew! Safe landing! Yikes! Watch out, kids! Don't let him grab you! Haha! You're too slow, raccoon! Buzz off, bad guy! Quick, kids! Go find help! Oh no! He's blocking the way! Someone help! Yeah, police officer's here!
Don't move! You're under arrest!
Get him, officer! Yippee! He's trapped!
Do not play in the mall without parents. If you get lost, always contact the police officers. Meow, meow. Thank you, officer.
Always follow the rules, kids!